What what was the magic secret sauce in making that happen, Ken, as your first project? Because if you know, because what I find is like it's very hard to get people to invest in you when somebody doesn't have a track record. Like how walk me through like how'd you influence that whole thing? Because I know there's a lot of people listening, especially in the real estate game, that they're like, I want to raise money.
The first thing that I think back is that there was just nothing stopping me, and my mindset was, this is only going one way. I remember the day we received the commitment letter, and I don't know, it was about 4 pages of items, and my partner's like, "God, there's no way we're going to do that." I remember snatching the paper off the table and like storming out of his office and just going in my office and going, "I'm going to finish every freaking thing on this list, and I'm going to do it by myself, even if I have to do it, right? Because there's nothing stopping me." And I just had that mindset that it's only going one way, and I think that was half the battle, because there was barricades along the way, and not knowing what to do. I had to like eat all my